Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to find three largest elements in a heap. Here is my list called nums, and these are its elements. We use the heapify function to convert this list into a min heap. Okay? Then, first of all, we print our min heap. So this is the min heap 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 9, and 4. This is how we print it out in the output. So min heap ensures that the smallest element is at the beginning, and that's it. Then, in order to find the three largest elements without modifying the heap, we use the n largest function. Because we are looking for three largest elements, we write down number 3, and this is the name of the heap in which we want to find the three elements, and this is assigned to three largest. Okay, so when I run the code, we see that in the print here, three largest elements, we see 9, 5, and 4. So this n largest function is going to give us the three largest elements of the nums heap and assign it to three largest heap, then print it for us in the output. So we see that three largest elements are three largest is being printed, and then are 9, 5, and 4. So this is how we can have for example, three largest elements, or for example, the five largest elements. If I change it to 5, you see that 5 elements that are the largest ones are being printed in the output: 9, 5, 4, 3, and 2. This is basically how we can use the largest function to return us the, for example, three largest elements in a heap. Thank you for watching.